Hello, I'm Richard Wong, one of the associate board members of the World Congress on Thyroid Cancer. This meeting will be held in Boston from July 9 through 12 and will feature leading experts on thyroid cancer from every discipline from all over the world. At this meeting, you will learn about the newest developments in the field, connect with colleagues and friends, and make new ones. I would like to encourage you to submit your original work as an abstract to the meeting. Your presentation may take one of three different forms. The first is an oral presentation, which is an 8-minute podium presentation. The second is an electronic poster, which also includes a 5-minute oral summary. And the third is a video presentation that can last up to 7 minutes. Each of these presentations will also involve discussion afterwards. Presenting your work will be a wonderful way to share your research and clinical observations with the community and to gain feedback. In addition, the top-ranked abstracts will be referred to the editorial staffs of the journals Head and Neck and Endocrine-Related Cancers for consideration of publication. I hope you can join us this summer in Boston, and I look forward to meeting you then.